Hey everyone, today I'm going to be doing a different sort of unboxing. I know typically I do ballad songs, but today I bought a baton from Nex Torch. It's a extendable baton, so thought I'd give it a shout or give it a try here. Shout out to Urban Survival. I'm actually got interested in this because of their video on it, or his video. So definitely check out his channel. He's got a lot of cool survival gear, and various things, pocket knives, radios, flashlights, all sorts of stuff. It's a really cool channel. Yeah, so today I'm going to be unboxing the Nex Torch, or Nex 20 Walker baton. So let's go ahead and get started here. First of all, pretty cool little cylindrical box that it came in. Definitely appreciate a cool looking box. So let's pry this open with one hand awkwardly. So this thing, it's an extendable baton. Very cool. Now, definitely, if you're interested in it, I bought this from Baton Warehouse. I just dropped it and probably scratched the shit out of it already. But I bought this off of Baton Warehouse. I'll try to, at some point, throw a link in there, as well as a link to the video for the 16-inch from Urban Survival. But so this thing is a beast. Fully extended, it is 20 inches long. Very, very awesome here. Now, the cool thing about this baton compared to some others is so most batons, and as you see, I've got my 537 engraved on there. Very awesome. It actually didn't cost anything extra to do that with this website, Baton Warehouse. But so cool thing about this is that it's all aluminum, so it's a little bit lightweight. And most batons are actually, when you flip this out, it actually connects, it locks everything in place with friction. So the pieces, each segment locks in place because it's very tight in there. But that's not the case with this one. This one is locked with a different kind of mechanism. I don't quite understand it because I haven't opened it up or anything like that. But I know that you can smash this thing on concrete, and I'm not going to do that right now because I don't feel like screwing up my baton. But just getting scratches and stuff all over it after I just bought it. But yeah, so this thing. So normally with a friction baton, you have to actually slam it into something hard to close it back up and put it, so that it's all enclosed in here. But with this one, it's actually got a little button here that you push down, and it closes up. It also comes on the tip. It comes with, let's see if I can get a better view here. But yeah, it's got a little window breaker on the tip of it, so that's pretty nice. It's all aluminum, and it's got a lot of really good grip on there. I know some of the other batons that Nex makes has a rubber casing on it. I didn't really want that. I wanted something all metal, just because I just like that a little bit more. Now, this thing, it's pretty nice. A lot of the other batons that even have this button pushing, you slam them on the concrete, they'll actually break. And this thing, I've seen videos of it just crushing concrete by striking either down like this, or hitting repeatedly like that, without it being affected in any way, shape, or form. This is probably one of the more functional batons that I've seen personally. As far as heavy use, it can take a beating. Now it's got this cool. It's gonna be hard to do this one handed, but this pocket clip here is actually removable very easily. You probably need two hands, but and you can put it in all these different positions. Any of these little indents here that you see can have the pocket clip on it. I don't know why you'd put a pocket clip way down here. That seems a little weird to me, but I'll probably keep it over towards the top just for simplicity's sake. Now, definitely if you're looking to purchase something like this, check out your local laws, not only state laws, but also your local town or city laws. Because if it's legal in your state, it might not be legal in your local town, municipality, city, whatever. So definitely take a look at that first before you get something like this, because you don't want to get in any kind of trouble with it. Now, where I live, they are allowed, obviously. I think that you need a concealed carry license to put it in your pocket, technically. But if it is like, hanging from your waist or something like that, it is perfectly legal in the state that I live in, as well as the city that I live in. So no worries there. So yeah, very cool. Like I said, the engraving was free, which is unheard of. Like, I've gotten things engraved before, and it always costs like, $10 extra or something. Also, the shipping was free where I got this at Baton Warehouse, and it was pretty quick. So now, if you're shipping internationally, I don't know what that looks like, to be honest, and I'm not even sure if they do that. So I would just reach out to the company directly and see if that's even a thing. But yeah, that's pretty much all I got to say about this. Feel free to leave a comment. Like I said, I will try to leave a link not only to the video from Urban Survival that featured the 16-inch version of this, but also the website in which I purchased this as well. So, all right. Well, thank you very much for watching, guys, and have a great night. Bye.